The World Health Organization, it defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not just the absence of disease or infirmity. 10th of October yearly is set aside to commemorate the World Mental Health Day, and this year's own was not left out as anti-suicide and depression sword gather university students together to discuss the importance of mental health and possible ways to eradicate it from the society. Speaking at the World Mental Health Day, a clinical psychologist from the Lagos University Teaching Hospital, Dr. Olumide Okeowo, stated the importance of mental health.
As a human being, one of the things that is important for us is our brain. It controls all the other parts of our body. So if the brain has a problem, then there is a problem. So that's why, and that's your mental health. Minding your brain, minding how your mind works, and making sure. So generally, I mean, for us all as individuals living in a society, we have to mind how we treat ourselves, how we respond to situations, how we, relate with other people. Those things seem as if they are trivial, but they are very important.
There's no health without mental health because the mind and the body work together as one. If you're just taking care of the body and the way you're thinking, the way you're feeling, the way you process your emotions are not good, then the way your body reacts to that is not also going to be positive. If your mind is stressed out, your body's going to have physical reactions to that. So if your physical health is okay, but your mental health is not okay, then you're not 100% healthy, because for you to be healthy, you need to have a healthy mind, body, and soul.
We all need to take responsibility for our mental health. There is no health without your mental health. So if we can speak up and destigmatize it, the world will be a better place for it.
The critical message for this year's celebration is to emphasize that everyone is important and should have access to mental health care wherever they may live, and no matter the level of education or socio-economic status, religious or ethnicity. Speaking further, the convener of Anti-Suicide and Depression Sword, Dare Asobele, heard his words of advice with other participants.
We need to take care of ourselves. A lot is going on in the country. There are all kinds of pressure going on, societal pressure, financial pressure. And so everybody just needs to take things easy. And so there's a need to see how we can have events like this whereby people can express themselves and talk about things that are bothering them, and also get help from the professionals as well. So yeah, that's what I would just tell everyone, take things easy. But you also need to be self-aware in terms of how your emotions are, how you feel, and why you're processing everything that is going on in the country as well.
Sometimes we get carried away chasing tomorrow that we forget to embrace today. We're always on the move, shooting for the stars and aiming for the moon. Some call it the hustle spirit, but they are forgetting that there's a body that houses it. This body is its home. So we have to pause and take a look at this body, because if others wouldn't tell us, the mirror will. But they never lie to you. When you look at the mirror, it tells you what you really are, and you know for sure that your body needs a thorough cleaning.
However, the medical expert says there is need to have a healthy body for a healthy mind, as there is no health without a mental or physical health.